Whoop-pow!
YouTube, we're back with another one. I miss you guys. We're working on the Miata. I'm really trying to make it to this track day this month. I know I've been saying this for the longest, but you guys, I feel like I'm there. I'm ready. I recently did pick up this roll bar, Hard Dog, if anybody knows about these things. Freaking expensive, and I was not trying to buy one new, but I got one for a good deal. I had to drive like 2.5 hours away. I just had it painted by my homie Shari. This shit is fresh, you guys. Track day is the 28th. I'm really trying to get that going. I'm stoked for that, to show you guys that. So I think today we're gonna do a Hard Dog roll bar install. So I already started doing a couple things, but basically you got to take off this whole tray right here. Then, shoot, I'm gonna have to go to Ace and get some freaking hardware, because I have no hardware. But yeah, that's what we're doing today, you guys.
Because I gotta pull this carpet back so we can get...
You guys, we actually ended up cutting off the stock frame rail area. Not frame rail, but like railing. So much easier, so the roll bar could just slide in easier. Now these are held with spot welds, so you can easily like pop them out with some force. Focus, focus, focus. Oh yeah, there it is. We had to cut out these ugly ass holes, but it's fine. All the carpet and everything's going back in, and you won't know. This is safety. We're doing it. Next, basically you have to unbolt the seatbelt. We're gonna leave that mounted right there. Unbolt this, and we're gonna sandwich this right into this hole right here. Yep. Anything to say to the cam? This is what it's looking like inside. We cut a huge hole out. All of this is going to be covered up once again. Making the holes a little bigger. This is like a 3-4 hour install, you guys. What the fuck? And yes, as you guys can see, it is a tight fit to install these. So, I'm just gonna extend this vlog. I actually ordered brake pads for this thing like over a year ago, but like I don't even know why I didn't buy rotors and shit. So here we are. I looked at prices again, and now it doesn't even make sense for me to just buy rotors. It was a better deal for me to buy rotors and brake pads, so I'm probably gonna try to return my first brake pads if I can find the freaking receipt. Roll bar's finally installed. Kinda tucked. I need to cut the carpet a little bit, but like, to me, that's freaking mint, you guys. Oh, freaking shake this fucker. I wanted to get a tune before this track day, but like, I'm gonna run it off the tune I actually still have right now, because I think it's decent. Because that thing boogies, like, that thing boogies, you guys. YouTube, I had this car for about like 3 years. This shit has never got. But you guys also want to hear that something that's actually super fun. This car has been through so much with me already, but in all the shit that I've done, if you guys believe, I have only put less than 600 miles in this car in ownership of it. Went through different coils, wheels, so much freaking shit, dude, for me to never drive it. Close garage? Ooh. Chilly out there, right? Close garage?
Oh.
Chilly out there, isn't it, my boy?
We're here at J Boy's garage right now.
Yep.
You can see it, Crown Hill Mob type shit. You know? We got some sushi.
Sushi?
Joshuelo just made it right now. This guy.
Hey, I just cooked up in the kitchen, man. We at J Boy's crib. This is the man cave. Bite. Hey, get that up close. Get that up close.
Chill, bitch.
This man cave dies in March.
What do you mean? Fuck this shit. This shit could go outside. This shit could be in here and then the Laurel in here. That's it.
Yeah, 2 out of 3. Something will find its way.
It's a chilly as hell day out, but we're outside. Okay, I think we're gonna go meet up with Logan. He's had some cars and coffees. He's that type of guy. I'm trying to be that type of guy. So we're about to go head out, go check that out. We're gonna take the Civic. So you guys, we made it. And my car is the only broken one here. The literally only broken one here. I seen a cool Laurel here, that's about it.
Welcome. Oveido Cars and Coffee.
Nice.
Yeah, it's Rock and Brews every second Saturday of every month. And it's a lot of old guys with some cool cars. No stance, but we can change that.
What's going on with these? This is sick. You know this guy? Like,
I don't know that guy, dude. Got like triangle wheels and stuff.
You should let him know he has like 50 shades of like silver going on. Like 50 shades of gray.
It's a drift car, right?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We're going to OSW today, boys.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is that thing gonna be on track? I heard it's a learner's day.
I might have to.
Haven't seen you learn anything.
I might have to.
Where are we? OSW. Wait. Thumbnail.
Do a little like bang sign, you know, a little comic book, little whoop-pow!
What's up, beautiful?
What's going on, man?
I saw this piece of shit out there. I'm like, yo, I know that guy.
I know that 200 horsepower.
Gel things, right?
Yeah, it's a little gel shooter. I haven't seen it in person.
This is so fun. I love it. This is a fun car. I love this thing. Yeah, inside scoop with J-Boy. Roll it out of here. What are people? Yes.
I'm freaking hungry, so I'm heading out, you guys. But tell me how you like that, you guys. Drifting content. I have a private day coming up on the 28th. You guys are definitely gonna see that. I don't know what's gonna be in here or what's not gonna be in here, but I enjoyed my time. Nothing like living in Florida when you could do things like this all year around, and I'm sorry for you guys that can't. You guys that have 3 months or 4 months of driving, you got to put your cars away. But yeah, we're here at OSW and we're leaving.